Hi friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel Technical Eye. Today I'm going to discuss about the topic Windows 11 latest preview update KB5095093. So I will show you now how to download and install this update, and I'm also going to discuss about what are the features introduced with this update. So to download this update, open settings, tap on Windows Update, tap on check for updates. So after you tap on check for updates, it will display the available updates to download. So just download and install the update. So after you install the update, the system it will ask for the restart. So just restart your system. In my case, I already installed this update. To check the previously installed updates, tap on update history. Here you can find the installed updates. The KB5095093 is already installed in my system. So after you restart the system, the revision number also automatically will change. To check the revision number, to check the current revision number, open Run Dialog box and type this command, win version, tap on OK. Here you can check the OS bill number and the revision number also. So the revision number will change to 8737. Now we will discuss about what are the features introduced with this update. So the first feature it is point-in-time restore. Windows 11 introduced new built-in recovery capability designed to recover and troubleshoot your PC within minutes. The point-in-time restore feature that allows Windows users to roll back their OS, applications, and files to previous point in time. With point-in-time restore, a device can be restored to the exact system state captured earlier, including Windows OS, installed applications, system and app configurations, settings, and local user files. Now, I will show you how to enable point-in-time restore feature. So for that, you need to open settings, tap on system, scroll down, tap on recovery, scroll down. Here you can find the new feature, point-in-time restore under recovery options. And here you can read the description also. Turn on and manage restore points to recover your PC to an earlier point in time. Tap on view or edit. Tap on yes. So actually, if your OS volume size is 200 GB or greater than this feature is enabled by default. In case if your OS volume size is less than 200 GB, then it will be off by default. So OS volume size in the sense your C drive, where your Windows OS is installed. So toggle this button on to enable point-in-time restore. Just toggle this button on. Here you can check the options also. Restore point frequency, restore point retention. A new restore point will be created every 24 hours. So this is for Home and Pro editions. If you have Enterprise edition, you can find more option here. And the next option is restore point retention. It is set to 74. It is set to 72 hours by default. 72 hours in the sense 3 days. And if you have Enterprise edition, you can find more options. For Home and Pro editions, by default, it will display 72 hours. In case you have Enterprise edition, you can find more options here. You can also limit the number of restore points by limiting storage usage. It means you can decide how much disk size you want to allocate for restore point. You can decide how much disk size you want to allocate for restore point. So after you done, so after you made the changes, so after you done with your changes, tap on save, tap on close, and you need to remember few points, mainly before restoring your PC using point-in-time restore. So for example, this is the last restore point, and imagine your system is not booting, and any changes you made after this selected restore point, including apps, files, and settings will be lost. And another point you need to remember is restored points are stored locally, and you need to have sufficient disk space. And last point is, case if you encrypt the drive using the BitLocker, you need to have the BitLocker recovery key. Otherwise, turn off the BitLocker. I mean, disable the BitLocker. Now I will show you how to restore system using the point-in-time restore using Windows recovery environment. So just imagine your Windows operating system is not booting, or your system have some boot issues, maybe due to the Windows driver issue or any Windows update issue. So in that situation, how to troubleshoot your system using the point-in-time restore, or how to recover your system using the point-in-time restore. So I will show you now how to recover your system using the point-in-time restore using the advanced startup options. Right now, I don't have any issues. I don't have any boot issues. So for your information only, I will show you now how to boot into the advanced startup options. So for that, open settings, tap on system, scroll down, tap on recovery. So using this advanced startup option, you can boot into the advanced startup options. So just tap on restart now. So your system automatically boot into the Windows recovery environment. Tap on restart now. And tap on restart again. Tap on restart now again. So just please wait. Your system automatically boot into the Windows recovery environment. Right now, my system don't have any issues, but so when you face the issue with the Windows update issue or any recovery issue, so how to troubleshoot, for your information only, I am just booting into the advanced startup options. So just please wait. So when you have the operating system boot issues, your system it will display like this. When you have the operating system boot issues, your system it will display like this. So just scroll down. Just scroll down, tap on troubleshoot. So here you found the new option, point in time restore. So just tap on point in time restore. So after you enable the point in time restore, here you will find the restore points. So make sure you select the right restore point. So why? Because after this restore point, whatever the changes you made, everything will be lost. So that is the reason. Make sure you select the right restore point. Here you can read also, all changes made on this PC after this restore point will be lost. This includes data, documents, downloads, installed apps and configurations, system settings, updates and other changes, passwords and certificates. Data stored in cloud services like OneDrive won't be lost. So just tap on continue. So again, it is giving warning here. All changes made on this PC after the restore point will be lost. So that is the reason. Make sure you select the right restore point. Restore point, here you can check the restore point. Here you can confirm the restore point and OS version also. So keep your PC powered on during the process. During the restore, keep your PC powered on. plug your PC into the power source to avoid the interruptions. So just tap on restore. So it will take some time actually. So in this way, you can recover the system using the point-in-time restore. It will take some time. So this is the one good feature introduced with this update KB5095093. It will take some time. And another change with this update KB5095093, it fixes the internal recycle bin bug. So actually what happened with the previous update KB5094126, whenever you try to delete any file or folder in the recycle bin, in the confirmation dialog box, it is displaying the other file name actually. I mean, the confirmation dialog box is displaying the internal file name instead of actual file name. Here you can observe, when I try to delete this folder, it is displaying the other file name, other internal file name actually, instead of the actual file name. So with this update KB5095093, this issue has been fixed actually. So let me open the recycle bin. Let me delete any file or folder. So here you can observe, instead of the internal file name, right now it is displaying the actual file name. So this update KB5095093, this issue has been fixed actually. And another change you can notice with this update KB5095093, that is in the emoji panel. So emoji panel, it switches the GIF provider from Tenor to Jiffy actually for a smoother browsing and sharing experience. It switches the GIF provider from Tenor to Jiffy. So in the previous update, you can notice this Tenor, but with this KB5095093, when you open the emoji panel, so to open the emoji panel, just press the Windows logo plus semicolon. So here you can find actually Jiffy. So it switches the GIF provider from the Tenor to Jiffy actually. This is the one change. And you can notice one more change with this update, new redesign dialog box that appears when you enable remote desktop. So to enable remote desktop, open settings, tap on system, scroll down, tap on remote desktop, toggle this button on to enable remote desktop. So when you enable remote desktop, here you can notice new dialog box that appears. I mean redesign of dialog box. This is one more change. And one more change with this update KB5095093. Windows now remember the microphone mute state when you connect and disconnect the Bluetooth. So Windows now remember the microphone mute state when you disconnect and connect the Bluetooth actually. And this update also fixes the issues with Bluetooth and improve the performance of the Bluetooth also. So that's all about this KB5095093 June preview update. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe. Please hit like button and please hit bell icon for more upcoming videos. And if you like the video, please share it to your family and friends also. If you like the video, please share with your friends and family. And if you have any queries, please drop a comment below. And I will make a detailed video on point-in-time restore. So for this update purpose only, for this update feature purpose only, I just give a brief introduction of the point-in-time restore. Still, we need to discuss more about the point-in-time restore. So I will make another video on the point-in-time restore. So that's all about this KB5095093 update. That's it, guys. Thank you. Thank you very much for your time.